Here I have my prototype build for my snack safe. And we plan on making a Ferris wheel design. So we have these cans that will contain the snacks. And then we hang the cans on the Ferris wheel, and then we also want to put an outer shell on this. This is just a prototype build and we're still getting to that point. But how it works is there's gonna be a sheet here with a pressure plate, and then we plan on trying to make it turn as slowly as possible. And then every time a can hits the pressure plate, the Ferris wheel stops, and then I can get my snack. A buzzer goes off to let me know that it's ready. And then when I take it off the pressure plate, it drops the next snack. And then I can put it back. And then it continues like that until the snacks are done. And that is my prototype build for now.